Welcome to my channel. Inside Car Mix. The Ferrari Motorhome 2026 is where supercar passion meets luxurious travel, creating an experience unlike anything else on the road. From the moment you see it, this masterpiece commands attention with its sleek, aerodynamic profile and Ferrari's signature Rosso Corsa red finish. The bold front grille, razor-sharp LED headlights, and sculpted body lines give it the stance of a racing champion, while carbon fiber accents and massive alloy wheels hint at the performance that lies beneath. It's a motorhome that looks like it's built for the track but is designed to take you anywhere in supreme comfort. Step inside and you enter a world of refined elegance. The panoramic glass roof bathes the interior in natural light, highlighting the exquisite craftsmanship all around. Hand-stitched Italian leather, Alcantara surfaces, and precision carbon fiber details bring Ferrari's racing heritage into a living space that feels like a high-end luxury suite. The driver's cockpit is straight from the supercar playbook, featuring a performance steering wheel, paddle shifters, and a fully digital display that keeps you connected to every detail of the journey. The living area is designed for both relaxation and entertainment. Plush seating invites you to unwind, while a state-of-the-art entertainment system with immersive surround sound transforms the space into a private theater on wheels. The kitchen is fully equipped with top-tier appliances, a sleek induction cooktop, and even a built-in wine cooler, perfect for enjoying fine dining no matter where you are. The dining table effortlessly converts into a work or lounge area, making the space versatile for every type of traveler. At the rear, the master suite is a sanctuary of comfort, complete with a king-size bed, ambient lighting, and floor-to-ceiling storage. The en-suite bathroom rivals that of a luxury hotel, featuring marble finishes, a rainfall shower, and smart climate control for the perfect temperature day or night. Every detail has been considered to ensure that long journeys feel effortless and indulgent. But the real thrill comes when you ignite the engine. Underneath, this luxury shell beats the heart of a 1,000 horsepower powerhouse, giving the Ferrari Motorhome performance figures that most RVs could only dream of. The advanced suspension and precision handling allowed this large vehicle to take corners and glide over highways with the confidence of a sports car. Of course, such exclusivity comes at a price, with starting figures around $3.5 million and fully loaded models reaching up to $5 million. For those who demand the best in speed, style, and sophistication, the Ferrari Motorhome 2026 is more than just transportation. It's a lifestyle statement, turning every road into a personal red carpet of adventure.